Girls, Scarlett's got something to tell you.
What? I forgot what to say.
Where are we going?
Hello. I forgot.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Radio.
Radio Station Spectacular. Huh?
Try again.
What holiday's coming up?
I know. Radio Christmas Spectacular.
Close.
You know what it is, though.
Yeah, but I forgot what I.
But you know what we're talking about.
Wait, I am Daddy.
The Radio City Christmas Spectacular?
Huh?
Yeah, we're going.
Where is that?
Right now, Radio City Music Hall in New York City. Okay.
And Scarlett, tell them who's going to be there. With the big man with the weird beard and the red suit.
Santa!
Oh, Amy.
All right.